good ride. We liked it.
Just got off of it. It's actually right there in the back of us. Oh yeah, right behind us. My hair. You can tell this is on it. Is this it? We're about to eat too.
Long ago, I, the Snake King, Serpent God, ruler of earth and sky, blessed the people with my protection. They worshipped me, and I gave them a bounty of fruitful harvests. As I protected them, my power grew, and the people turned against me. Now I rise again, the darkness awakens, and the people shall feel my wrath.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we just got off of the Cobra's Curse ride here at Busch Gardens in Tampa. I can't remember. That was a tough ride. Very fun. It's got an elevator that takes you up. It spins, goes forward,
goes backwards.
Very fun ride. Pretty fast. There's 2 lifts. One being the elevator. There's another lift in the middle of the ride somewhere.
Yeah,
we're going in reverse. And then it starts spinning. The seats. And oh, this is the other drop. This is the second drop.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, there goes somebody. Let's just take a look at what happens here.
This is when you go backwards. And it starts spinning you around.
Yep.
That's so funny. Yep.
Totally recommend that ride. Thumbs up.
Yep.
Really good. So now we're gonna go ride Montu. But we got the all-day dining pass, so we're gonna eat first.
Every hour.
Again.
On the hour, whether we're hungry, full, stuffed.
So keep sitting. Okay. There's a lot of twists and turns on this. I think it's a B and M, like you all care, B and M logo. But anyway, very fun, very fast.
Very loud.
Than the usual Six Flags version of these. With
yeah, it was pretty long.
There's a long rise fast. You go kind of through tunnels and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a little dizzy on there, so that's a plus. If you like that thing. So thank you all.
So,
we're off to our next ride. What'd you think, man?
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
How long is it?
Well, I'm about to eat.
Again. Has it even been an hour?
Yeah,
I guess so.
We got on 2 rides. Well, maybe it hasn't been. We'll figure that out.
Well, the lines are long, so.
Yeah, don't be the judge of that. So,
guess now we walk to the next one. Whee! Oh! Ay, ay, ay. I don't really like doing these.
I don't know why I said, hey, let's take the Skyride.
Yeah.
It's
scary.
The single scariest ride.
Oh, I don't like that. I don't like the feel of that. It's a little calming up here.
Okay.
Because we're like the only ones.
Palpitations.
Yeah.
Why are we so much lower? Is it because I'm that much heavier? And I'm weighing down the whole wire or something?
Stop.
Oh, man.
Don't say that. I don't
We'll
think
be
we're
on the
low.
ground in a second.
No. I just like never feel good on these things.
Oh god, there's a roller coaster going right through us.
Wow, that one comes way out here. Oh.
Okay. Well, we're leaving that side and going to this side. This is our 4th ride today?
I don't know. I just want to be on my feet now.
Oh gosh, that one was like gaining on us, going behind us. brave.
Yeah, breathing.
Are you brave? Okay, so we just got off Kumba. Another ride. I think we may have skipped one in this video. Now we're gonna go look at the monkey because we're tired.
The orangutan.
We've done 3.
We're tired.
In a
That
row.
one like beat me up. I mean, look.
Yeah, that one gave
So
me a
much
headache.
to it. It's like upside downs and turns.
I think it's over twice.
I feel like I passed out for a minute.
I think you did. 'Cause
I'm
at the end
serious.
You looked asleep.
I can't. After 3 days of roller coasters, you guys, I'm done.
Okay.
I'm beat.
I think we've raised 23 cents by now.
We haven't even uploaded anything yet because we have no laptop with us. We've been trying to enjoy our vacation, so it's been nice.
It's been nice. We're going to casino from here.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the Hard Rock. All right. So which one was yours? Yeah, out of Animal Kingdom, SeaWorld, and Busch Gardens.
I would say, as far as the visit goes, SeaWorld, because it wasn't as crowded, no strollers, none of that. The Animal Kingdom had some really, really fun rides. The rides at SeaWorld are pretty big. Really like Busch Gardens, but I can only ride so many big rides. So I have to go with SeaWorld right in the middle.
Awesome. Cool.
Yes.
Anything else you got to say about our trip?
Very exhausted. 3
Yeah.
days in a row.
Roller coaster.
Then we got to go to Vegas. And we'll do something from Vegas for y'all too. We're eating at Chipotle because I can't find a Long John Silver's. Not allowed.
Did you have something here?
Okay. See you later, guys. We are at Icon Park in Orlando, off International Drive. Next to the giant swing thing. You can get unlimited beer and wine on there. That's a big perk.
And you're up there for about an hour.
Yeah, about an hour. They have a Madame Tussauds to the left, the Sea Life Aquarium to the right. My wife likes the gifts at Madame Tussauds, but if you have kids, the gifts at the Sea Life are better.
And there's other restaurants and stuff to check out too. And
Yeah, there's a lot of restaurants they put out here.
yeah, it's a nice place to walk around.
Yeah, there's a few people out here. It's getting kind of warm, so
Yes.
so we're gonna go explore some more out there.
Doesn't this guy look so real? It's a sculpture from 1985.
Coming to you live from CNN News Station. We're getting ready to go back to Houston. And that's news to me. See you next time.